Hey guys, now a few years back, while airing down my tires on the beach, I lost the valve caps, right? Many of us have. So not thinking about it or thinking any differently, I went to like a super cheap auto or autobahn spares shop and decided to get some valve caps. Now they never had the plain little black ones that you get standard with your tires. They had these really cool looking anodized ones. So not wanting to go for pink or different funky color, I decided just to get silver ones. Now, here's the tip for you that might save you a lot of dollars. This anodized aluminum one, not thinking about it, had it on there, like normal, drove around like every other person does. It actually rusted and seized onto all of my tires, all right? So that's 4 valves basically stuffed. So trying to let air down on the beach the other day, it was the first time I wanted to take the TIM off, try to get it off. Didn't work, obviously, rusted on. So what do? You whip out something that you can, like a multi-tool Leatherman or whatever. Now, cranking on the valve, basically, I twisted my valve completely out of the seat. So there it is there, okay, stuffed. Basically, what I have to do now is get all of these taken off and get my valves changed on all my tires. So that's balancing tires again, valve changes, the tires got to come off. A lot of money it's going to cost me just for such a silly little thing as an anodized cap. So my tip is today that, guys, the plastic ones and the normal plain ones, the cheapest you can get, and they're probably going to work great and potentially will save you lots of money. So that's what I reckon. I'm going to go back to plastic now, get this all sorted out, and hopefully this saves you a couple dollars down the track. Thanks for watching and catch you later.